Welcome to Yardy Belly's Kitchen. This is Yardy Belly TV. And you know.
I'm your host.
I'm your host,
Remington.
Philip. Original Yardy Belly. Alright, today we're going to try on at this particular thing. That's split peas. Oh, let me hide this. I don't want nobody to know where public it come from. Alright, so we're going to make split peas soup, right? Never had it before, never done it before, but I think I can make it. I think it can turn out good. But this time it's going to be 100% vegetarian. So here are my list of ingredients. Scallion, onion, I got green peppers, I got chayote. Jamaicans call it chocho, but in Miami, you can't call it chocho, you have to call it chayote, or else the ladies will box you. Alright, this is celery. I may have some little bit of celery here. I may have kale, and I have some parsley and some cilantro, and let me see what else I'm gonna add. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a piece of pumpkin. I'm gonna try to see if I can bribe the wifey to make some dumplings, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get some coconut milk to put in this split peas soup. So the next thing you're going to see is super bubble. Basically, I'm gonna take all of this, dump it in the pot, put some water upon it, put that in it, put some water upon it, and make everything boil, and then we drink it. Join us in the kitchen. Split pea soup, Yardy Belly. My saucepan, I've already chopped the kale, and I put that in with the thyme, and I am gonna also put in the rest of my ingredients. You want to hold the camera for me? I'm gonna put in my bell pepper, my celery, and the chayote, or chocho. Jamaicans call it chocho. And pretty much what I'm creating here is a bed for my split peas. And I'm adding green onions, and garlic. And again, ladies and gentlemen, I've never cooked this before. I'm just doing something based on me. At this point, I'm gonna add some coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil. If I can get the container open. Why you lock the container so tight? See? Why you make the container so tight? Now, coconut oil. It's not fair here. Coconut oil, you know, this is extra virgin.
Put it here. Coconut
oil, and it is one of the best oils out there.
Right here.
When you stop, it's not for your big head. It's for cook the food. And as you can see, when it is above room temperature, it seizes up a little bit or it goes white. That's because it's good.
That's because it works best with the air when it seizes up.
Ciao. Yeah, give me my camera in. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of split peas, alright, or 16 ounces. Now, the bag did say I must wash it, but I never wash it. So that means me alone I go drink it, because my wife now drink it. But it's a good brand. And so I am going to add my water now, and I'm adding 6 to 8 cups of water. So I'm going to start with 6 cups first. See how I measure?
Mm-hmm.
You know, big milk.
Big up.
My soup is boiling nicely, and the wifey is adding my spinners. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, the room, the house, the kitchen, the whole place smells divine. It's hard to imagine that there's absolutely no type of animal protein in this dish so far that we know we're gonna safe to sit on. But so far, I'm liking it, and we're adding our spinners, and our spinners are basically gonna be flavoring our pot, giving us something to eat. Look on that, look on that, look there. Oh, the whole of the camera just get frosty. The idea behind this is for this to cook, the split peas to break down, and everything to just, culminate into a nice, rich vegetarian stock with nice pieces of vegetable. What you call them type of soup? Yeah? Minestrone, or one of them. Them have some funny name for them type of foreign soup. Yeah? But we shall be calling it dinner. All right. So after this, I'm gonna find some coconut milk to add into it, and I'm gonna put some seasoning, garlic powder, and other little stuff, and we'll show you our finishing. All right, so we're gonna allow this to cook for maybe 30 minutes, until the peas is tender to your taste, because some people like it real tender, some people like it a little bit more al dente. But may I cook it till it's nice. And then we shall be eating. Shall we gather at the soup pot, the wonderful, wonderful soup pot? Gather in the house at the soup pot.
That produces soup to drink.
My soup is doing very, very well, folks. And here I have the coconut milk. It's 1 cup of coconut milk, just about 3/4 of a cup. I reconstituted the coconut milk from the powdered form, because the real coconut milk not readily found here, and I'm just adding it now. See, as you can see, my vegetables are all cooked down and stuff, and I added a little bit of sweet corn. I had some corn in the freezer, and frozen corn in the freezer, and I added that, and I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, the house smells divine. My soup is going on nicely. My split peas is breaking down as I expected, and I'm just gonna refine the seasoning up a little bit, get into my cupboard and add some seasonings to make sure that my pot is, because in Jamaica we really like with seasoning. I gotta add my Scotch bonnet pepper and some little bit more stuff to it, and then we will finish split pea soup, folks. And I'm telling you, it is awesome. I had myself a little cup of this one, and I am just salivating. I am going on crazy and bad. The food tastes good. Me not telling a lie. Here I serve it up with some toasted pita bread, and I just put the Scotch bonnet there to, just to pressure people. But let me tell you something. It is that we have become so addicted to meat that we think it is necessary to add meat all the time to our dishes. Meat is not a necessary component in our meals at all. And I'm learning this, and I'm making the necessary steps to not just, I don't think I'm ever going to eliminate meat, but at the same time, I'm going to minimize my consumption of meat. Try this one in your neck of the woods. Yardie Belly in a foreign. Split pea soup with mixed vegetable, kale, sweet corn, and of course dumplings. And you will be pleased. You will love this one. Once again, continue to listen, continue to subscribe, continue to view. Yardie Belly in a foreign. I'm out.